we're going to learn about TIBCO Cloud AuditSafe. Especially in this video, we're going to show how the AuditSafe solution in the cloud can be used to connect to a BusinessWorks project. BusinessWorks project, especially the one that contains this business process, sample business process, is included with TIBCO Cloud AuditSafe. You can download it from within TIBCO Cloud AuditSafe. The sample project needs to be extracted. Once it is extracted, then go ahead and open the BusinessWorks Studio. Create a placeholder workspace where you can work with the sample project. It's going to take a little bit of time to initialize. Now we're going to import the sample project that was downloaded. Remember the name. Now we're ready to work with it. Let's take a look. First, we're going to take a look at the resource. You may not have to do this since you will be working with a production copy. Here we're working with a test copy, so we're going to replace the URL in order to make the connection from the sample project to the instance of TIBCO Cloud AuditSafe. We're going to test the connection. It works. Okay, good. So now we're ready to move on to the next step. Let's take a look at the sample flow. I showed you the business process, which is basically a supply chain order sample flow, sample business process. Here you can see the chronological set of audit events and the activities that will be posting certain data fields from those audit events to TIBCO Cloud AuditSafe. We can also open the schema, how we are mapping the audit events data fields to the API schema of TIBCO Cloud AuditSafe. Now that we've understood this, we are ready to launch the project. Just like your regular BusinessWorks project, you need to push it into runtime. Here we're going to run it locally. Because of a built-in timer or a time trigger within the project, once it is launched or pushed, it will automatically start posting transactions or a transaction that contains the audit events. We can go to the transaction summary and view that the transaction with the associated audit events have been pushed into TIBCO Cloud AuditSafe. If you click into one of the details, and you can see them. Once you have collected enough data, you'll be able also to see some nice looking charts because it comes with built-in reports. Questions or comments, as always, leave us a message in our community page. Thanks for joining us today.